Large language models, or LLMs, are incredibly powerful tools for generating text, but they often come with a frustrating downside: unpredictability. If you've ever worked with LLMs, you know they can sometimes break your JSON, skip fields, or change output formats without warning. This unpredictability can be a major headache, especially when your application relies on structured responses. In this video, we'll explore why LLM outputs can be so inconsistent and introduce a solution that can help you regain control over your data. Let's dive into how Pydantic can help keep your LLM outputs clean and predictable. Imagine you're building an AI application that depends on structured outputs, like a chatbot or a summarization tool. Even small inconsistencies in the data format can lead to big failures, crashing APIs, corrupting databases, or breaking user flows. That's why predictability in LLM outputs is so important. When your app expects a certain structure and doesn't get it, the whole workflow can fall apart. So, how can we ensure that our LLMs deliver exactly what we need every single time? The answer lies in validation. Let's look at some typical problems you might encounter with LLM outputs. Sometimes, the model adds extra text around your JSON, forgets a key, or outputs the wrong data type. For example, you might ask for a summary and sentiment, but get a response missing the sentiment field, or with the sentiment as a number instead of a string. These small errors can quickly become unmanageable if you try to fix them with manual string parsing. Clearly, we need a better approach to handle these unpredictable outputs. Pydantic is a Python library designed to solve exactly these kinds of problems. With Pydantic, you can define strict data models using simple Python classes. These models specify exactly what your data should look like, including types and required fields. When you receive output from an LLM, you can use Pydantic to validate it instantly. If something is missing or incorrect, Pydantic raises a clear error, allowing you to catch and handle issues early in your workflow. With Pydantic, defining a data model is straightforward. You simply create a class that inherits from base model and specify the fields you expect. For example, if you want a summary and sentiment, you define those as string fields. When you pass data to this model, Pydantic checks that everything matches your expectations. If you try to pass an integer where a string is required, Pydantic will raise a validation error, making it easy to spot and fix issues before they cause bigger problems. Now, let's connect this to real-world LLM responses. Suppose you're using OpenAI's API, and you ask the model to return a JSON object. First, you parse the response text into JSON. Then, you pass it to your Pydantic model for validation. If the data matches your schema, great. If not, Pydantic will throw an error, and you can decide how to handle it, maybe by retrying the request or logging the issue for later review. This two-step process ensures that only valid, predictable data makes it into your application. LLMs are inherently probabilistic, meaning you can never guarantee perfect outputs every time, even with carefully crafted prompts. Pydantic acts as a safety net, enforcing a contract between your application and the model. Every response must follow the schema you define. If it doesn't, your system can immediately detect the problem and take action. This is especially important in production environments where unpredictable outputs can have serious consequences. By validating your LLM outputs with Pydantic, you gain several key benefits. First, your data formats become predictable, making downstream processing much safer. Second, you get clear error messages when something goes wrong, which helps with debugging and maintenance. Finally, you can confidently build more complex workflows, knowing that your data will always meet your requirements before moving forward. Pydantic isn't just for simple models. You can define complex schemas with multiple fields, types, and even constraints. For example, in a chatbot, you might want an answer, a confidence score between 0 and 1, and a list of follow-up questions. Pydantic makes it easy to enforce these requirements, ensuring that every response from your LLM fits the structure you need. If the model outputs invalid data, Pydantic flags it instantly, so you can handle it appropriately. Pydantic integrates smoothly with popular AI frameworks like LangChain and FastAPI. In LangChain, you can define tool or agent schemas using Pydantic classes, ensuring all interactions are consistent. In FastAPI, endpoints can accept and return Pydantic models, making it perfect for AI APIs where responses are validated automatically. This seamless integration means you can enforce data contracts throughout your entire AI stack. Once you start validating outputs, you'll notice patterns in how your LLM fails. Maybe it adds extra commentary or confuses key names. Instead of fixing these manually every time, you can feed this information back into your prompts or fine-tuning data. For example, if the model keeps using the wrong key, you can update your prompt to clarify the expected structure. Over time, this feedback loop helps the model learn to comply with your schema more consistently, reducing validation errors. Developers use Pydantic validation in a variety of AI systems. In chatbots, it ensures consistent message formatting and confidence scores. In summarization tools, it checks that each summary includes required fields like title, tone, or keywords. In AI-driven APIs, it acts as a guardrail, stopping invalid data from propagating downstream. This is especially valuable in retrieval-augmented generation pipelines, where structured outputs are crucial for maintaining accurate context. Retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG, pipelines rely heavily on structured outputs, such as document scores or extracted entities. Pydantic validation ensures that these outputs always meet your requirements, maintaining the accuracy and reliability of your context. Without validation, even a small error in the output could lead to incorrect results or lost information. With Pydantic, you can trust that your data is always in the right shape. Pydantic brings much-needed structure to the chaos of LLM outputs. By validating every response, you turn unpredictable text generation into predictable, schema-checked data. This combination of LLM flexibility and Pydantic strict typing is powerful. You get the creativity of language models with the reliability of data validation. When every output follows a schema, your AI becomes not just intelligent, but truly dependable. To wrap up, using Pydantic to validate your LLM outputs is a simple yet powerful way to make your AI workflows more reliable, debuggable, and safe for production. Whether you're building chatbots, summarization tools, or complex AI APIs, Pydantic helps you enforce data contracts and catch errors before they cause problems. Start integrating Pydantic into your projects today and experience the difference that predictable, validated data can make.